are here to bring in awareness to the public about the first convocation, which is proposed to be held on 23rd of June at 9:30 at Priyadarshini Auditorium in the Public Gardens. Professor Jahangir, about him, since he's right here, I cannot extend lavish praise, but what he has achieved speaks for itself. He is a professor who has gone through the conventional modes of study. He has done his doctorate in Arabic. He is a professor and head of the Department of Arabic. Come out with some very innovative procedures of teaching. Having formal classes, there are students, quite a few have enrolled already, who are studying, and with limited resources, this work is being done in a very commendable way. I think it is time that public should be made aware of what is going on so that more people can participate in this. Muslims are today an extremely educationally backward lot. Recently, the Sachar Commission, which created ripples across the country, has shown that educationally, Muslims today are indeed a very backward community. Today, the position of Muslims is much below than what was their position at the time of independence. So it's a matter of grave concern for all who are interested in the community that educationally Muslims have to be brought up. The answer which we have been trying to bring about is through madrasas. And some Muslims are, of course, getting contemporary education of modern style. What Professor Jahangir has introduced is something which is unique. It is not the typical madrasa type of education. It is providing education of a high level, of a very serious nature. Education is indeed something which plays a very vital role in affairs of any community. A community which has education is free from several vices, and it can attain higher things. It will be an asset for the country if Muslims are well educated. And we hear so much about Muslims always being linked to terrorism and all that. If good education is provided to them, all these things will go. Muslims are very loyal to the country. Muslims are loyal. It's only their backwardness which has put some of them into problems. And if educationally they come up, all these problems will get sorted out. And I think what Professor Jahangir has started is the kind of revolution which is required for Muslims today in this country.